Hello, right. Just wanted to show you a cool new feature. We have a brand new type of heat soak in Daemon Clipper Essentials Unified. Basically what it does is it will show you visually in the console, here at least, when your bed and or your probe stop drifting or deviating and settle down to a stable temperature or a stable kind of measurement, stable position. So what this does is it's called the bed checker. And what you can see, we selected the file, it's running through its start process. And there we go, it's the homing. And here we go, bed checker active. So what this does is it will probe an area where you set, sort of where you have to set the position on your bed where it changes the most as you get to maximum temperature. So if you're 100 degrees, you want it in like a corner, or somewhere where it goes from the flattest to the highest peak on the graph visualization in the heat height map. And then what it does is it will go to that position and it will do a probe, and then it will wait for a specified time. You can choose the time and you can choose how many attempts it does, and it works out how long the maximum heat soak will be if you let it run, if it does everything. So here we go. We've done the first probe and it's got the results. And it's waiting for a minute. That's what I've set it to, until it probes again. And you can see it's probing again here on these, and then it gets the new result. And here it posts its findings. And so you can see the previous attempt was that, the current attempt was this. The difference between the two is this number here, 0.0373 millimeters, and the system is set to have a tolerance of 0.0100 millimeters. That's a mouthful, right? So it's got that number. It's out of tolerance, it's out of range, so it can tell the bed is still moving. It's still heating up, it's still drifting, it hasn't settled in yet. So it waits for another minute. And it tells you what attempt it's on, and this is the time intervals and the counter. It again tells you the maximum allotted time. So the minute's up, probes again, and you can see this time it's that number. Sorry, the previous was that number. This time it's this number, and there is the difference. And if we scroll back, we can see it's slightly lower this time than that time. But then, that could be just a discrepancy in probing. So either way, it's still out of range, out of tolerance. So it waits again. So we're on attempt 3 right now. And probes again, gets the new numbers. And we're on that now, which is a little higher than before. So maybe it was a discrepancy. So carries on. We're on 4. So this is number 5 here. And oh look, it's gone down. It's gone from 0.0329 to 0.0255. So that's getting better. You can see the bed is slowly starting to ease its movement and settle. So we're a third of the way through at the minute. Probes again. And gets new numbers. Oh, it's popped back up a little. So maybe a discrepancy again. So probe again. We're down to 230 this time. From that. So that's good. So it's going in the right direction. About the same again next time. And look at that. The heat soaking has worked. And the difference in between the probing, from last time to this time has come down dramatically. So we're nearly 2/3 of the way through here. So we'll go again, and it's still coming down. That's really good. So we're on 10 out of 15. So probes again. 173. So that's not too bad. It's maybe a discrepancy again. So we're on 11 again. So, but look at that. 0.0061. That's really good. And see what it does now? Readings are close to tolerance at temperature. Repeating test to confirm. So what it will do now is, because it's got one result within the tolerance range, it will repeat the test while remembering it's already got one in range to see if it can confirm it. So we're on 12 of 15 here, so we've got a couple more to go. No, we didn't get it. We didn't quite get it there. So we're just out of range. So what it does is it resets the where is it? The within tolerance counter. So it goes back to that. So we're on 13 now, so we're getting close to the maximum time allowed. But there we go. It's gone back down again, and it's got one on the confirmed within tolerance counter. So yeah, it's pretty close. And yeah, there we go. It's got the second one on the very last probe. It's got it within tolerance range there. It's got that. So it's got the two confirmations that it needed right on the last probe, and it's finished the heat soak. So, and then it continues on with setting up the printer for the print. So I think this could be very, very helpful for people's machines where their bed drifts a lot, changes shape during heat up, and they kind of have to guess when it stabilizes. Whereas this takes all of the guesswork out. It shows you exactly and knows exactly when it's stabilizing, and all the values are customizable, so you can tune it to your own printer, your own machine, and your own bed. So yeah, watch this space. This will be good.